My family may not be perfect. We may not always see eye to eye. But one thing we do agree on, we are for sure family.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be cleaning the formal living room and I will also be cleaning the foyer area. I do plan to do a little bit of decorating in the living room and just some fall decorating for the foyer area. So if you're new to our channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And of course, before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the room looks like before I start cleaning. This is our formal living room, but this is also where my husband hangs out. This is where he spends most of his time, either watching TV or playing video games. Because this is the formal living room, it never really gets that dirty, but it does need to be dusted and refreshened. So that is my goal for today. If you want to get longevity out of your couches, I think it's a good idea to wipe them down anytime you see a stain, no matter how light it is. Don't forget to check our description box for a list of our favorite cleaning products. Shout out to my youngest daughter. She painted the picture that you see above the fireplace. Okay, so I thought it would be nice to add some color around my fireplace. So I bought these two vases from Home Goods, and I bought the silk flowers from Michael's. I'm using a little Goo Gone to get the stickers off of the vases. And there's Henry back at it again. And as always, I'm using Bona hardwood floor cleaner to clean the floors. Okay, you'll see in a few moments that I was really struggling to get this mirror clean. No matter what I did, it still had a little bit of a haze on it. So I think I'm gonna have to switch products. I think I heard that, I think it's shaving cream. You can use that to prevent your mirror from getting hazy or foggy, but I'm not sure if that's true. But if anyone has any suggestions about what new product I could use or what's out there that will prevent this hazing effect that I kept getting, no matter what I did, I just couldn't get rid of it. So just leave a comment below if you have a better product that I could use to clean mirrors. My favorite holiday is Christmas, so that's when I tend to do the most decorating. I'm not really a fan of fall, but I thought it would be nice to do a little bit of decorating this year. So I'm just going to add a little element of fall to the foyer area. I thought it would be nice to make a fall centerpiece. So I bought the little tray from Home Goods, and the rest of the items I bought from Kirkland's. The reason why I really like this piece is because I can take all of the dried fruits and vegetables out of the container, and I can add something that is more Christmassy later on. For some reason, I thought the dried fruits and vegetables would have a fragrance, but they really didn't have any smell to them. So I bought some dried pumpkin spice scent to add to the fall element. Okay guys, so this is a final look for the foyer area, and then of course this is a relook at the living room area. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about the decorations I added to the living room, and let me know if you like the fall decor for the foyer area. Okay guys, until next time.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the For Sure Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.